Meet Shreya Ghoshal live all hot tour at YMCA Nandanaman March 1st. Book your tickets.
NEC Sparkling Diamonds now 75,000 only. One quality, one price, conditions apply.
Velamal feels proud to honor the physical education teachers with 5 cars and 15 lakhs.
Shivangi, I don't think people you give this whole vibe of being a bubbly girl, energetic. Shivangi is a personality, but I can say this for I was listening to some of your performances. You're a truly gifted artist. Your voice, your sangatis and your emotion. I have followed you. I have listened to many of your songs. Recently I heard a performance of Tain Tain. Oof, you sound like an angel. You're so good.
Thank
God
you,
bless.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll start crying.
Don't cry, Shivangi. We still have to do more questions. Mwah.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, next picture.
Oh, so cool, no? Yuvan Shankar Raja is a cult. And he brings the most unexpected music in his films. And I think he has given me the most variety of music in songs in Tamil. He has given me all sorts of songs. You know, there is Ayayyo, huh? That folk, ekdam folk vibe. Then there is
Ma'am, coming
you tell
to
me
that
now.
IAO, we have heard a story from the director.
He takes a lot of joy in telling that story.
Did that really happen?
Yeah, he made me cry. Please beat him up, yeah.
Beat him up.
From my end now. High time. Actually, I met him again in another recording, and he told me, "I'm that director who made you sing." And he's a phenomenal director, and he's so passionate. And he was like, he wanted something and was not able to communicate. And I had a very long day. The whole day I was trying to get it right. And in his defense, I think he made me do that, and I'm so grateful that he made me cry. He made me feel the angst, and in that moment the melody also sank in even better. And what he wanted was the whole folkish twang.
Folkish.
Which it took a while to get it right, because I had sung a couple of folk-ish songs, but not something so hardcore. And in this moment, Yuvan Shankar Raja was a rock star. He gave me time, he gave me breaks. He said, he came and took me, yeah, relax, don't worry, I'm there, it'll happen. You know, when these kind of things happen, you just have double respect for the composer and the person.
How many hours did you crack the
I think I went inside the studio in the morning, and I had already dubbed a couple of songs for Yuvan Shankar. I had come to Chennai for doing his songs.
Okay.
And the previous night also we were working, and then next morning we said we have to do this song. So went there, morning. It's not happening. And he is pacing around the studio, scratching, yeah, he's talking something in Tamil. And my communication is weak in Tamil. Somebody is completely, he can't speak in Hindi or English at all. So, and neither was Yuvan understanding that what does he want.
Oh, even Yuvan sir didn't.
He didn't understand what he wants. So something, it was a big struggle that day. Finally, I think by the evening it happened after many breaks, many takes. It's fine. So I didn't make it to the airport.
That Shreya Ghoshal ma'am cried in the recording.
I cried. My mother was also there. I cried. I said, I actually said, leave me. I'll go. I'm not able to understand.
But that song is one of the cult songs.
Yeah, I'm so glad. If that
and
process
many
didn't happen.
reality shows, that song, any contestant will sing that song.
Oh, lovely. I'm glad. I'm glad. So all that process happened for a good reason. So that crying was also required, I guess.
One line of that song. Ayayyo.
You will sing the... No, okay. What a lovely... That line is beautiful. Anyway, I'll sing my lines. Ayayyo, ye usurukulle thiya vachon, ayayyo, ye manasukulle noya thachan, ayayyo.
Sandaliyo pasakare, tana 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 tana.
Nee koda kuda kottamilla, nee sonna sago yenda pulla, ayayyo. Ayayyo.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. And the next picture again.
What can I talk about this man? What kind of words do exist in the dictionary to describe a man like Ilaiyaraaja sir? He has, I think he's a phenomena, like how cosmic phenomena happen, right? Like Big Bang, where the universe started. You know, a planet was made. It's like that. He is such a big phenomena. It's tough to put your brains together to understand how this man has come up with these kind of melodies. And I am so fortunate that I can't put in words how blessed I am that he's given me so many great songs. At 80 plus, he is standing and doing 5 hours of concert non-stop. His energy, his mind, touch wood, and I just hope that he lives for hundreds and hundreds of years to give us the kind of music he has given. This phenomena will never ever happen in the history of time.
Meet Shreya Ghoshal live all hot tour at YMCA Nandanaman March 1st. Book your tickets.
NEC Sparkling Diamonds now 75,000 only. One quality, one price, conditions apply.
Velamal feels proud to honor the physical education teachers with 5 cars and 15 lakhs.